Hi, I'm Stuart from SB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so just under here, I've got a double chimney to do. Got a fairly small one to do on that side, and one slightly bigger round here. It's a little bit awkward with this scaffold here right in the way. So I'm just gonna have to get like a little hop up, I think, just to be able to reach the apron up there and the step flashing. But what I'll do first, so just get all these supports removed, and we can start getting the step flashings in. Okay, so just in the process now of getting this step flashing in. It doesn't look it when you look at this tiling, but it's actually got quite a big curve to it. So I've managed to curve the lead down to follow it. When I first put that piece of lead on, it was nice and tight down there, but down here it was literally right up here. So I've managed. You can probably just about see that. You can see I've just managed to curve that a little bit. So now that's all into position, what we'll do now is just get that marked up. So most joints have been raked out enough, but I'll probably still go over it just to make sure they're deep enough. I'll do just mark where the lead comes, so I only rake out as much as I need to. Might as well carry on going all the way down there. I think what I'll probably do is take that to there. I think that'll probably look better than trying to wrap a little bit round there on its own. Let's see where the edge of the brick is. It's there. We'll slice that off there, I think. Right, cool. Let's take that down onto the bench and get that all knocked up. Okay, so I'm just in the process now of knocking up this bit of step flashing. So let's get this done. Okay, that's that. Just gonna put a bit of patination oil on that now. Find it. Okay, so that's now ready to go in. Okay, so that's that step flashing in there now. On both sides. So now that step flashing's in, what I'm going to do now is concentrate on these apron corners. Okay, so I'm just in the process now of doing these apron corners. As you can see, I've got that one in and finished already. And I'm just in the process now of getting this one in. So just on the bench here, I've already made a good start on it. As you can see, I've got that corner welded. Just got to literally weld this last corner in here and get it all trimmed. And we get that fitted. So let's get that one welded now. Okay, so let's get this corner welded in. Okay, it's a bit fierce that flame, I think. So let's turn that down a little bit. Okay. We'll turn that down even more, actually. Okay. Might as well weld this one whilst I'm here as well, actually. That's that. Just got to weld this last side here now. Just position the lead in a good angle for me, just to make it a bit easier. There we go. Oh, I just got to straighten that in my back. Still having a few issues with it. Okay, so that's that. What I'm doing now is just going to trim this up. I've already marked it. Let's get that trimmed. Okay, so that is now ready to go in. Okay, so that's that apron corner in there now. I've also just given it all another coat of patination oil. Same on this side too. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOBLEDWorks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Any suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try and make it happen. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.